Hello dear friends, this is Dr. Mohammad Aminul. Welcome to my channel. In my previous videos, I explained various isotherm and kinetic models. These videos have created a notable attention to the research community. Therefore, in this video, I would like to show you how to fit two parameters Jovanovic isotherm model nonlinear fitting using Microsoft Excel solver. Well, Jovanovic isotherm can be written as Q equal to Qm into 1 minus exponential minus KCE. This is a typical two parameters model, and Q is the amount adsorbed at equilibrium, Qm is the maximum adsorption capacity, K is the Jovanovic isotherm constant, and C is equilibrium concentration. Well, in order to fit, I have taken data for C and Q. Then you also need to write fitting constants Qm and K with some value. For example, I have put some value. Then write the function here, Q equal to Qm into 1 minus exponential minus KC. Then write the function here, write equal to Qm into double bracket 1 minus exponential bracket minus K into A2 triple bracket. Then click enter and then scroll down this. Then you need to calculate residual square, just equal to B2 minus C2. Then click enter and then scroll down this. Then you need to click residual square, just E square. Then click enter and scroll down this. Then you need to calculate sum of residual square, which is this, just equal to sum bracket start, then select this and bracket close, then click enter. Well, then you need to click data, and here is our solver. So click on it. So our target cell is SSR, and okay, then click here, then solve. So keep solver solution, then click OK. So see, here is our parameters for Qm and K. Now we need to calculate R square. In order to do that, you need to calculate average experimental QE, which is I have already done, equal to average bracket, then select this and bracket close, then enter. Then you also need to calculate average model QE. So I have just this equal to average bracket close, then here. Then you need to calculate average of sum square. Then I have ASSR. I have done this, just equal to B16 minus 16 square. Then click enter. Finally, R square equal to 1 minus ASSR divided by SSR. So I have done this 1 minus G18 divided by F18. Then click enter. So this is how we can easily fit Jovanovic isotherm model using Microsoft Excel solver. If you would like to get similar type of video, please do subscribe Aminulchem Innovation. Thanks for watching.